Hi, my name is Andrea Neira, and for homework number 4, we have to answer 3 questions regarding the poems The Road Not Taken, The Mending Wall, and Out Out. The first question I chose for The Road Not Taken is, why is this particular poem so celebrated and widely loved? For me personally, I think it's celebrated in love, since it doesn't matter in which road you chose. It doesn't matter, since both roles are going to take you to a happier place, and it would eventually make you happier. So, and in the poem, the roads are described as a happy place. There's nothing negative about the roads. So for me, that's one of the questions I answered for the first poem. For the second poem, that is The Mending Wall, I answered the first question, who are the speakers, who are the speaker and his neighbor. So I answered that the speaker and the neighbor are the main characters of the poem. And I personally noticed that both the neighbor and the speaker, they have different points of views of what the fences mean to them. For example, the neighbor loved fences, or the speaker loves fences because they have a personal space, and the neighbor didn't like them. So for me, I think the fences are speaking about the personal space between your house and somebody else's house, and especially when you have to be in, I don't know, literally like a type of way of living, because you can have like being with people, or sometimes you like being on your own. So we see that one of the speakers, not one of the characters, express himself in a way like how they like the fences, because they're into the fences, because they protect them, they have like a personal space, they don't have problems with others. And lastly, the last poem is Out Out, and I answer the question of describing your own words the boy's reaction to the accident. And for me, I think that the boy's reaction was like I don't think it was overacted, but you can feel the presence of the boy being really suffering because of the accident he's witnessed. And also, like they say that the boy is already growing up, so he could get used to it. But clearly we could see that the boy is being traumatized by the accident he's seen. And also in further of the poem, we see that the boy has some issues with his hands. So even though he's a small boy, he still sees the accident as something big, as something traumatized for him, something that he eventually is going to remember in years and years and years.